Why?
No, Jaden, this is so easy. You push in the blender like this. You need to push in the corner.
Push in the corner and then. I know this sounds dangerous, but yesterday I cooked the first time. Now it's the second time.
Wala na kanin. Wala na kanin. Diba? Kunti mo na yung kain mo para maluto agad. Jaden, there's no rice.
Oh no.
Yeah, I told you. Okay. Ate need to cook food. But you need to sleep already.
Okay, it comes to cooking. Okay, make it hot, and it's fried. Make it fried. Okay. I know it sounds dangerous, but no. Why my spam is wobbly? Oh,
Wala.
it's wobbly now. It's a wobbly spam now.